Good morning. Hi, it's Carla from Lund Travels. And today our video is about some things to look out for if you're moving to Tennessee or maybe just to a new area. When you are buying a house, make sure that your house has sheetrock on the walls. And that sounds really basic, and it's not a question that you would ask anywhere else. But guess what? Our house here in Tennessee has no sheetrock. Okay, so it is what it is. And the walls are all, every single wall had paneling on it. And we thought, well, we'll just take down that paneling. And the only thing behind the paneling was some studs. So here's what we did. We turned these walls into just regular walls. Now this is down the hallway at our house, and you can see the painting that we've done. So it's a Sand Dollar by Sherwin-Williams. But underneath that pretty painting is wallpaper. And so the wallpaper is called Wall Liner. And here, let me turn the light on for you. Looks like that. It's just a roll of wallpaper, and it doesn't completely cover, as you can see, the lines on the wall. But once you paint it, it looks pretty doggone good. Now this room has not been painted. This is our living room, and you can see we are waiting on flooring. I'm going to give you a little 360 here. Out the front door. We have out the front windows. We've taken up all the carpet, took out this wall right here. You can see the beam up there. Took out that wall. Those lights that you see hanging are going to go. And you can see a second beam over there. That's the family room. Here's the dining room. And we've had an electrician come and put a plug in the floor on both areas where we took out the wall. And the flooring is coming mid-September. So we're looking forward to that. Back there is the kitchen. Now this wall right here, why didn't we take out this wall? Well, it's a load-bearing wall, and we didn't want to spend the money right now on a beam. So that's probably coming in a day or a year or so, something like that. We're doing new flooring throughout the house. And in here is the laundry room, which is an absolute mess. And out here is the sun porch. Out here, which I've put up the furniture, covered it up because the dog sleeps out here, and he has availed himself to the nice new furniture. So in order to save it, I have covered it up until we get ready to actually use this room. So we've done a lot of work. This was the back side of the house. We've done a lot of work, but we're actually in the now of putting things back together. So it's very exciting. We are preparing for another trip back to California by road to pick up some things that we left there, and to take a trailer that we have here in Tennessee to one of our sons. So they will be packing up their stuff and coming my way too. I'm very excited about that. Anyway, just thought I'd give you all an update and a word of caution when you are buying a house in Tennessee, in this area of Crossville. There's not a lot of building codes, and basically you have to have the general safety codes are here. The house is well built. It is all brick on the outside, and so therefore those walls on the outside have to have insulation. That is the code. So that's about all the codes. Anyway, we love it here. We love our 78-degree weather that we're having today in the middle of August, and no rain for the next week or so, and we're very excited about that because it's wet. Everything is wet. Soggy. It's actually quite soggy. So, but we're loving it here. Can't wait for our family to get here. Can't wait for people to come and visit. And I can't wait to get this house put together so that we can live here. And we're getting there. Anyway, thanks, friends. Don't forget to like and subscribe to this channel. It's fun. And I'll bring you along on our road trip back to California next week. Okay, talk to you later. Bye.